Hello, this is Juri Hwang, a bio bee who will deliver the latest honey-like news from the Korean bio industry to you earlier than anyone else in the world. Good to see you guys again. I'm back today to inform you of the most honey-sweet issues in South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to Bio TV and set up notifications. By turning on notifications, you can receive the latest honey-like information even faster. Now then, shall we go and take a look at today's sweet news? The South Korean government will invest $5.4 billion in the so-called BIG3 industries next year, namely system semiconductors, future cars, and biohealth. This figure is up by 43% on the current year. The South Korean government also plans to enact a special law to advance the country's high-tech strategic industries, with the law also offering incentives such as tax deductions for the big three industries. In the biohealth industry in particular, the South Korean government says it will increase its support for key sectors such as those involving the development of new global marketed drugs, innovative medical devices, and advanced regenerative medical technologies. The South Korean government plans to expand not only its support for all stages but new drug development, but also its support for the pharmaceutical and bio sectors, such as convergence biotechnology and for R&D of third-generation therapeutics, which can be characterized by next-generation bio, early acquisition of advanced green and white biofuture technologies, digital therapeutics, and e-pharmaceuticals. The South Korean government also says that in order to achieve infrastructure expansion that will serve to accelerate product commercialization and encourage the founding of startups, it will build pharmaceutical smart factories and localize core raw materials and production equipment, as well as creating a medical device cluster and K-Bio lab hub. South Korea's bio industry is expected to grow even further in 2022, and we, Bio TV, will watch its development even more closely. Bioscience will develop a universal vaccine that is effective against COVID-19 in conjunction with the international organization CEPI. It is said that this vaccine will target the sarbecovirus subgenus, which includes a well-known array of variants that causes diseases such as COVID-19 and SARS. Based on the use of the platform of GBP510, which a COVID-19 vaccine currently undergoing a phase 3 clinical trial, with the goal of developing a vaccine that can protect against the whole assortment of sarbecoviruses and coronavirus variants. The Coalition of Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, or CEPI-CEPI, will be investing a total of $200 million in vaccine developments. Among those vaccine developers, SKbaIoscience will use $50 million out of CEPI's aid money for activities such as non-clinical trials, phase 1 and 2 clinical trials, process and method development, and so on. SKbaIoscience's Genetic Recombination Technology and the University of Washington's Institute for Protein Design Self-Binding Nanoparticle Design Technology have been applied to the receptor binding protein of the vaccine candidate, and once the development of this vaccine candidate is completed after verification of its safety and efficacy, hundreds of millions of doses of it will be supplied to the whole world. It won't be long before the arrival of the Superman vaccine that will save mankind from COVID-19. Here's hoping for SKbaIoscience's success with its project. That's all the honey sweet news we have gathered for you today, and I will be back soon with the new and even sweeter issues related to South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.